Remember a little while ago when everyone was talking about GDPR? All those emails you got? Well, that's still a thing. A really big thing that you need to know about. It stands for General Data Protection Regulations. Yes, we know it sounds boring, but getting it wrong could mean huge fines for us. Okay, GDPR is about respecting people's privacy and keeping their personal information safe. Their name, address, phone number, salary, bank details, health information, training records, appraisal reports, or even an email about something that's happened at work. It's basically any information that could identify a living, breathing person. No, not an animal or a robot, a real, live person who's got a right to privacy, like you or me. There are three main situations where you need to be GDPR conscious: when you're starting an IT project, when you get a request for information, and when there's a data breach. It's okay, we'll get to that. Number 1. Setting up an IT project. Whatever activity you're launching, you'll need a privacy impact assessment first. It looks at how you'll use personal data and whether that's in line with GDPR. There are some great guidelines. Just ask legal services to get you started. Next up, requests for information, or to give them their proper name, subject access requests. They're when a person asks to see all the information we hold about them. They might be a customer, a colleague, or a supplier, and they might make their request in writing or just in conversation. In every case, you need to refer it to legal services and ask legal to confirm they've received it. And that's all. Don't get into detail, don't provide the information yourself, and definitely don't delete or change any information you have. Last but not least, data breaches. A data breach is a security incident where personal information is accidentally or unlawfully lost, altered, disclosed, or accessed. For example, if a computer is stolen or a file is sent somewhere it shouldn't be, it could lead to criminal charges, fines, disruption, and a disciplinary if it's not reported. We only have 72 hours to respond, so getting legal on the case fast is really important. So yes, it's a big deal, but don't panic. Don't try to investigate it yourself, and don't delete or change any information. Just report it straight away. You guessed it, to legal services. That's all. GDPR's a big thing, but keeping on top of it is pretty simple. Respect, respond, refer, report, and if in doubt, call legal services. That's GDPR sorted. Next up, rocket science.